What a silly guy getting blown up there. Getting closer, getting closer. Closer and closer. Uh-oh. That's not ideal. Damn. Come on, gunners. I'm not talking about Arsenal. Big. Big. Yeah, you're just a little too late, lads. You're a little too late. GG's. Well, I went over 15 minutes. Looks like I have to do another video. What am I at? 5:16. What do we want to play as? What do we want to play as? Get a destroyer game in, yeah? That could be fun. Whatever, we'll waste some of our stuff. Alright, what do we want to get up? Yeah, we'll just get all this up. Oh, I have nothing cool. Alright. And I'm back down to having no money. No, thank you. Alright, we'll get into it. I'm gonna grab a yogurt. All right. Well, we should probably get going here. Definitely a destroyer, you know you don't want to be moving right away. Perfect. Perfect opening, by the way. If you can guess what flavor yogurt I'm eating right now, I'll Venmo you $10. On the move. A little 1v1 action. I need to get up in here, smoke up, and start launching. Come on. Oh, he's cruising.
Torpedoes direct front. Torpedoes to starboard.
Oh, jeez. Like on me.
Problem solved, sir. Torpedoes to starboard. Engine boost activated.
Oh, I'm in trouble. Fuck me. I just hit 3 torps and didn't get a kill. Are you having a laugh? Well, thanks for watching. That was a good short little destroyer video. Time to go read. Thanks for watching. Have a great night or day. I love you.